Hey everyone, welcome to another exciting episode of Sencore Product Updates. I am Aaron Doughton, Product Manager here at Sencore. Today we'll be talking about JPEG XS and the DMG 4000 high-speed media gateway. To kick things off, I want to talk about JPEG XS first. I'll just give you a quick 10,000 foot overview of what that technology is. So JPEG XS is the latest generation in Lite compression video codecs. So if you've been around Lite compression video codecs before, you're probably familiar with terms like JPEG 2000 or TICO. But really the aim of these video codecs is to be extremely low latency and offer a light compression but maintaining top video quality, not sacrificing any video quality because of high compression like an HEVC or H.264 MPEG-2 or high compression video codecs like that. Can sacrifice some video quality, you increase latency, obviously you drive down your bit rate a lot, but you're sacrificing things you might not want to sacrifice, especially in a production or remote production workflow. So that's where JPEG 2000, TICO, and now JPEG XS really shine, is in those types of workflows, like I said, for the remote production or production type workflows. Now the thing with JPEG XS is that it was designed really with the idea that it would be used in a 2110 system. So in 2110 systems, obviously for production, we have a lot of flexibility. The ability to switch video and audio and metadata streams independently and then sync those all back up later for actually doing a full video encode allows tons of flexibility that we didn't have before in SDI switches and stuff like that. All IP-based workflows. But of course, with 2110 also comes extremely high bitrate. So really that's where JPEG XS comes in, steps in, and allows us to drive down the bitrate. So we have the high flexibility, the extremely low end-to-end latency, but it's half the calories, right? We're able to compress that down at 10:1 compression and maintain an end-to-end latency of less than a frame of video. So a huge gain with 2110 systems using JPEG XS. So with JPEG XS, there is a really huge bandwidth savings that allows you to do up to 25 HD streams or 6 UHD streams in a 10 gig pipe. So that offers a lot of flexibility, additional density in brand new remote production or production workflows. Those new IP systems that are using 10, 25, 40, 100 gig infrastructure. We're able to flow a lot more streams through those types of systems when we're using JPEG XS. Really no downfall. We still have the extremely low latency, all the flexibility of 2110 and things like that with JPEG XS. So huge advantages there. So now you're probably asking me, well, what does JPEG XS have to do with the DMG 4000? Well, let me tell you about that. So our DMG 4000 platform is our newest media gateway platform that is really focused around high-speed type IP flows with 10 gigabit, 40 gigabit connectivity. We're able to support things like JPEG XS encoding and decoding. So what that means is that we're able to ingest those SDI feeds from those live camera feeds in venues or sporting events and things like that, bring them in either SDI or 2110. Drive down that bitrate with JPEG XS, and then be able to backhaul that for remote production or directly into your production workflows. And if you need to decode that JPEG XS right back to SDI or right back to raw 2110, we're able to do that on the other end as well. But really what this offers is kind of a nice, dense JPEG XS platform with all of the 10 gig and 40 gig connectivity that you would expect to have on a platform like this. So very high density, high speed platform for JPEG XS workflows. Hope today's video was helpful for everyone. Just wanted to give everybody an update on our DMG 4000 and how you can use JPEG XS to help gain some density in your 2110 systems and maintain video quality and very low latency. Very important in those types of workflows, so I wanted to talk through that. But also pairing that with our VideoBridge VB440 monitoring and analyzing platform. The DMG 4000 with the VB440, putting those two products together, you're going to have a really good transport and monitoring platform for those type of technologies. So, reach out to your sales representative at Sencore, or reach out to us at sales@sencore.com. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you in the next one.